clouds soft like cotton? They look so fluffy. I just want to jump into one.
Haha, I know what you mean. But clouds aren't really soft like pillows. They're actually made of tiny drops of water. When the sun heats up lakes, rivers, or oceans, the water turns into vapor like invisible steam and rises into the sky. Up there, the air is cooler, so the vapor cools down and sticks together, forming the clouds. If it gets cold enough, those tiny water drops can even turn into ice crystals. That's why some clouds look white and puffy, and others look dark and heavy.
Whoa! So clouds are like floating water? That's way cooler than I thought.
Yup, science is full of surprises. Thank you for wondering with us.
To like this video and subscribe for more little-known wonders.